Assalamualaikum. My name is Hanisah. I would like to present about the effect of vibro-compacting method on cement fiber ratio cement board using oil pump empty fruit bunch fiber. For the background of study, according to Shelton, in 1990s, Darwin Hatchak has introduced cement board which were made up of 90% of cement and 10% of asbestos fiber with water. However, in 1970s, asbestos was discovered that the use of asbestos can cause mesothelioma. Hence, we can use another natural fiber as a replacement of asbestos fiber, such as EFB. EFB is an empty fruit bunch. EFB is a remaining of fresh fruit bunch after oil pressing. Because according to Edi Azwan, the amount of fruit bunch produced in Malaysia increased from 99.85 million tons in 2011. Next, for the problem statement, vibro-compacting method are used to achieve the uniformity of EFB cement board because the uneven distribution of EFB due to hand forming will cause uneven densities. Next, the different fiber cement ratio give different value of physical and mechanical properties of cement board. The physical property is thickness swelling, meanwhile the mechanical properties are modulus of rupture, modulus of elasticity, and internal bonding. For the objective of this study is to investigate the effect of vibro-compaction method of empty fruit bunch cement board on the density of sample, and to identify the physical and mechanical properties of empty fruit bunch cement board based on different empty fruit bunch cement ratio. Next, for the scope of study, we will use EFB from the oil pump as the reinforcement in cement board. The ratio of cement and EFB are 1:3, 1:4, and 1:5. And the properties that will be focused are modulus of rupture, modulus of elasticity, internal bonding, and thickness swelling based on British Standard mention. The significance of study is to emphasize the effect of different ratio of cement and EFB against the mechanical and physical properties of EFB cement board, and the effect of density of sample due to vibro-compacting method. According to Mohd, the presence of fiber can increase the modulus of rupture and modulus of elasticity of material. According to Venture Program and Events, low board density and the unevenness in distribution of natural fiber can reduce the board strength. For the material preparation, we need EFB, Portland cement, and water. Portland cement will act as an agent to bind the material in order to tie them together. For the fabrication process, first we need weighing the ratio of cement and EFB, and the use of water is 40% of cement, because the concrete with higher water cement ratio lead to cracking and shrinkage. After the material is undergone weighing process, the material need to go through to the mixing process based on specified ratios. The mixing process will undergo for around 10 minutes, which are 2 minutes of mixing is EFB and water, 8 minutes is after adding cement. Next, the mixture will be undergone forming process. The size of mold for forming process is 400 mm times 400 mm. The mixture will be spreading and flattering in the mold. Next, the mixture will be go through compacting process. The vibration need to undergo around 2 to 5 minutes. After the compacting process, the compacted mixture will be undergone pressing process. The mixture will be pressed into a desired thickness, which are 11 to 13 mm. Next, it will be cured around 28 days to make sure the strength of cement increased. Next, it will be cutting into a desired size to undergo a testing process. for testing process, there are two types of properties that will be tested, which are for mechanical properties, modulus of rupture, modulus of elasticity, and internal bonding will be used a universal testing machine. Next, for the physical properties, which is thickness swelling, the cement board with different ratio of cement and EFB will be soaked into the water for a day, and for the next day we will compare the thickness before and after soaking in percentage. For the expected result, the different ratio of cement and EFB will give effect towards the mechanical and physical properties of EFB cement board. According to Asasud Jarid, the presence of fiber, if the presence of fiber is increased, the physical and mechanical properties will be decreased. And for the uneven distribution of EFB due to hand forming will lead to uneven density. According to Venture, the uniformity of cement board will be hard to achieve. Hence, it will affect the strength of empty fruit bunch cement board. Thank you.